Hey folks, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Sheetgo to bring your Excel workbooks into Google Sheets. Not just a one-off import, but a fully connected workflow that keeps your data synced and ready for workspace collaboration. I'll show you how to set it up, schedule updates, and share some tips for making the workflow more smoother. You might already know that you can upload an Excel file to Google Drive and convert it into a Google Sheet manually. That works off for a one-off import. But what if you receive Excel files regularly or want something that keeps updating your Google Sheets? That's where Sheetgo comes in. It automates the entire connection so that your Google Sheet always reflects the changes made in the Excel data. In short, it's less manual effort, fewer mistakes, and more collaboration. So let's get started. First things first, head to Sheetgo by checking out the link in the description. And once you are here, you'll land in the Sheetgo interface showing you all your existing workflows if you have them, or a blank canvas for now. But the first step would be to click on the new button and click on blank workflow. Now Sheetgo provides you a couple of different ways to get started with your workflow. One is using their AI feature where you can type in what you want to do with your workflow in natural language and it generates it for you. The second way is to use from multiple popular use cases that are there, or you can go and select the classic builder. Once you're here, click on add to workflow, and the first step would be to click on automation. Now once we are here, we need to select the source data, which is going to be Excel for this particular use case, and then click on select file. Now I have my Excel file stored in OneDrive, and that is where I'm going to be importing my Excel file from. So I'm going to click on the various options that are available here. You have Dropbox, you have OneDrive, you have SharePoint. So I'm going to click on OneDrive and it's going to be prompting me to connect my account to it. So I'm going to click on connect account. It's going to ask me to sign in. Once your OneDrive is connected, it's going to be showing you all the available files. And for now, I'm going to be selecting my user database Excel file. So whenever I make changes in my Excel file, once the workflow is ready, all the details will be reflected in my Google Sheet at the same time. So once you're done, just click on done here. And here you can see once you click on done, it's going to be giving you an option to select your tabs. In case you have multiple tabs and you want to select a particular one, you can always select that and select the tab that you want to insert. In case you have a specific data range that you want to import and you don't want to expose the entire data, you can always click on data range, select the tab that you want and enter the range you'd like to import. But for now, I'm going to click on the entire tab and go ahead and click on next step. Now you can pass through powerful data processors here like applying filters, removing duplicates, or even use AI to clean and enrich data. We'll skip them today, but they are just a click away whenever you need them. So click on skip and you're back here, and now you need to select the destination. That's where your data is going to be put in. So I'm going to click on Google Sheets, and once again you have two options here. Either you can open up a fresh Google Sheet that Sheetgo will create in your root folder. In case you want that file to be stored somewhere else, you can always click on change destination folder and select the folder where you'd like the Google Sheet to be stored. Or if you have an existing file, you can create a new tab inside of it, select the existing file, give it a name and click on finish and save. So I'm going to rename this spreadsheet. I'm just going to give it a name saying imported Excel data. And once we are done, I'm just going to name the workflow here. That's going to be Excel to Sheet sync. And once you have all of this, just go ahead and click on finish and run. And in a couple of seconds, the workflow will begin to execute. And your automation will be created that keeps your Google Sheet perfectly synced with your Excel file. And here you can see we've got a successful message that says the workflow execution is complete. There are a couple of ways for you to view your data. You can always go to sheets.google.com and open your spreadsheet, but you can always open it up inside of the Sheetgo interface. So I'm going to open up my Google Sheet here. And here you can see it has successfully imported all of my Excel data into my Google Sheets. And that's it. You have now created an automated import workflow from Excel to Google Sheets using Sheetgo, leveraging the latest interface and workflow. Now you can spend less time on manual copying and more on analyzing your data. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one.